Adding a brand slider to your Shopify store can help showcase the brands you carry and enhance the overall visual appeal of your website. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. Choose a brand slider app. Explore the Shopify App Store to find a brand slider app that meets your requirements. Look for features such as customization options, compatibility with your theme, and ease of use. Install the app. Once you've selected a brand slider app, install it on your Shopify store by clicking on the Add App button and following the installation instructions. Configure settings. After installation, configure the settings of the brand slider app according to your preferences. This may include choosing a slider style, selecting brands to showcase, and customizing the appearance of the slider. Upload brand logos. Upload the logos of the brands you want to feature in the slider. Make sure to use high-quality images for a professional look. Customize appearance. Customize the appearance of the brand slider to match your store's branding and aesthetic. This may involve adjusting colors, fonts, and sizing to ensure a cohesive look. Preview and test. Preview the brand slider to ensure that it displays correctly on your Shopify store. Test the functionality to make sure that visitors can navigate through the brand smoothly. Publish your brand slider. Once you're satisfied with the setup, publish the brand slider to make it visible to visitors on your Shopify store.